Hey, Matt here, and welcome to Mob Street. Today is going to be super simple. I want to show you how to get to the battery on the KLX230S. It's super simple, anybody can do it, and it doesn't require any special tools other than the key to the bike. So, let me show you. So, you're going to pull your key out right here. Now, right behind this left side cover here, this is the left side of the bike, you've got a little push tab right here that goes into a rubber grommet. You've got two little connectors right here that are slide connectors. So when you go to put this in, there's two slots right here in this part of the side panel, and they're gonna push in and then slide down and lock into place. So you're gonna take your key, you're gonna open that, pull that right there, pull out your tab down here, then you're just gonna slide this up, pull this out right here a little bit, slide that up. There you go. That is access to your battery, and also right here underneath your battery is your tool kit. So this rubber strap right here keeps everything in place. So you just pull that over. There you go. You've got access to your tool kit right here and your battery right here. So if you need to replace it, that's how you get to it. And then to put it all back together, just put that back in there, put your strap back on, slide these two tabs in first, they'll slide down. Then these tabs right here at the top, slide up underneath your seat. Your key lock goes into that little tab right there on the frame. And then you've got that little rubber grommet that little push piece goes into and holds it into place. That's it. That's how easy it is to get to the battery on your KLX230S. Now on this one, I'm going to be putting a battery tender. I'll be roping it down and tying it to the frame. I'll show you how to do that in another video. So if you haven't already, hit like, hit subscribe, and follow along. I'm Matt. That's the KLX230S. This is Mob Street, and thanks for watching.